Welcome back to MashTips. Today we got the latest robotic vacuum cleaner from eufy. Let us check it out. It comes in a nice black package. Let's open the box and see inside. It has user manual and other paperwork in the first box. Here is a charger base that comes with 14 volt 1 amps rating, and there are some additional cable type for managing the cable. And these are the additional filter and side brush that you can replace later. And in addition to that, there is a brush tool to clean the filter that's attached to the dustbin. Before we go further, let's check the manufacturer specification of this model. This vacuum cleaner comes with a twin turbine technology. Each turbine offers 200 PA and altogether 400 PA suction capacity. The box capacity is 0.15 gallon, or it comes around 600 milliliter. Connectivity is through Wi-Fi, but still you have to enable the Bluetooth for the initial setup. It can support Alexa and Google Home, and you can use Alexa commands or Google Assistant commands to control your vacuum cleaner. For the navigation, it's using laser slam technology. And the battery is 14.4 volt lithium ion 50 to 100 mAh. The battery can last up to 150 minutes with one recharge, and it may vary based on the suction power that you are using for cleaning the RoboVac. It will take almost 240 to 300 minutes to charge the battery again. And the noise level will vary between 60 to 75 dB, and we will see the actual noise level in real-time scenario. There is an additional option for spot cleaning, and that can cover an area of around 5 to 5 feet square. And it can climb up to 18 mm, so if you have a thicker carpet, you don't want to worry about it. The height is 3.7 inches or around 9.5 centimeter, and the diameter is 13.8 inches or 35 centimeter. For the base, it needs a good clearance to detect by the RoboVac. On the sidewise, it needs at least 3 feet, and the front, it needs 6 feet of clearance to efficiently work with this vacuum cleaner. Let us check out the design. The board is really glossy black texture with red and blue accents all over. There are 3 press buttons to control the vacuum cleaner, and the first one is for charging or sending the vacuum cleaner to the charger base while it's cleaning. And the second one is a multi-user button. They have a couple of options assigned to that particular button. And the third one is for spot cleaning. And there is an additional LED indicator for displaying the Wi-Fi status of the vacuum cleaner. It can display whether it is connected or disconnected from your Wi-Fi network. And here on the top, that's the laser distance sensor, LDS. That's mainly using for navigating inside your room and generating the floor map. And there is one front IR sensor for detecting the object, and there is an additional one in the side for the side wall. On the bottom, there are 4 drop sensors. That's for detecting the edge of the floor and protecting your vacuum cleaner from falling down while cleaning the steps or edges of the floor. And here is a charging pins, and make sure you always keep it clean for charging the internal battery. Here is the back wheel and the rolling brush. The rolling brush have some additional brush guards. Charging base, there is an additional space for tucking this additional cable to keep it clean and neat. Now let's take into the floor and see the performance.
Start cleaning.
The LiDAR based mapping technology is generating a floor map perfectly, and this particular RoboVac that supports multiple floors, so you can generate multiple floor maps with this RoboVac, and you can assign each floor by selecting the floor map with your app. The iPath laser navigation offers a quick solution to build a virtual map of your floor quickly before it starts cleaning. While using this virtual map, it can detect the obstacles in real time and avoid them easily. And there are 4 different suction power offers by this vacuum cleaner. You can use a quiet mode or standard mode. And there are 2 additional modes that offer more power. One is a turbo and the other one is max modes. And especially when you select this turbo or max modes, as you know, it's generate more noise. So it's better to do that while you away from home. Based on our test, we got maximum 78 dB and minimum it comes around 60 dB. And there is an additional automatic selection for this power. It's called Boost IQ. Once you turn on that Boost IQ on your app, it will automatically enable the additional suction power to sweep the mess. With the app, you can select the virtual boundaries to avoid any area. And if you want the physical boundary strips, you can buy it online. When you start with this vacuum cleaner, make sure you open all doors and let the RoboVac to get a floor plan of your home. Then it can split into multiple zones and rooms and it can start its job. While we start cleaning with the auto clean mode, it generates a map based on the border of the room and split that room into multiple zones. So rather than cleaning the entire room altogether, it's splitting into multiple zones and cleaning each zones one by one. While it's cleaning the zones, it's moving in a Z shape to clean the zones, and you can see those zones real time in your mobile app. Since it's splitting into zones, you can ask RoboVac to clean any particular zone or a particular spot right from your mobile phone. We tested this vacuum cleaner with pet hair and carpet floor, and we see comparatively a better performance with this carpet floor. The spot clean usually covers an area of 5 feet to 5 feet, and once it's complete the spot cleaning, it returns back to the base. While cleaning the sofa or couch, it's easy to get if you have enough clearance on the bottom, and while considering the diameter, it's pretty compact and it can go through all your furniture legs without any issues. And there is only one side brush attached to this vacuum cleaner, and it is capable to do its job by cleaning the wall sides and edges.
Heading home.
So the interesting feature that I like on this vacuum cleaner is the voice feedback. Instead of displaying the LED indicators or colors, it can give you voice feedback based on the status, even if it's stuck on the wheel.
Error 7, wheel suspended. Please move the device to a new position.
Or if you remove the dustbin,
Dust collector removed. Dust collector inserted.
it can give you the feedback, and that's quite interesting. So you don't want to check your manual for the LED status and find out what is exactly going on. Most of the functions you will get a voice feedback from this RoboVac cleaner.
Positioning successful. Charging.
The RoboVac comes with a pretty powerful app. You can select the suction power while you clean the map. See the real-time map of your floor while cleaning the vacuum cleaner. You can start, pause, or send the vacuum cleaner to a charger base using this app. And there is 4 options on this app for selecting auto charging, or you can select a particular room or zone, or you can go for a spot cleaning while using this app. And once it's complete the cleaning, it will show you how many feet it covered and the total cleaning time for the last cleaning. Or on the settings, they have a lot of other features. You can manage map, and this comes handy especially while you have multiple floors, or you can set a schedule to clean the RoboVac in a certain time in every day. And if you want to move this RoboVac into a particular area, you can use a manual controls, and the app itself it converts as a remote control, and you can guide the vacuum cleaner to that particular area. And this comes handy when you want to clean any particular spot underneath your furniture that you cannot reach directly there. And there is an additional feature that you can use to find your robot, just in case if it's stuck underneath any furniture while cleaning, and you can use this find robot button and it will make a noise. And you can easily locate the robot. For the voice prompt, they have at least 5 different voices
Successfully changed language path.
that include English,
Paquete de idiomas cambiado
Dutch,
correctamente.
Chinese, etc. And of course, you can use this RoboVac with your Alexa or Google Assistant, and you can ask your Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa to clean the room, and it will trigger your RoboVac and start cleaning. While using a robotic vacuum cleaner, the maintenance is pretty important. As long as you are keeping in a good shape, you can get a long lifespan. For this particular RoboVac, you have to keep clean the wheels, the charging pins, and the drop sensors at least in every month to work perfectly and charge the battery efficiently. And for the brush guard and side brush, you have to clean at least once in a month. If you see any pet hair or debris, you have to clean it after each cycle. For the dust collector, it is good to clean after each cycle. And for the filter, you have to clean at least in a week. You can replace this dust collector or filter by ordering the replacement online. For cleaning the roller brush or the filter, and there is an additional accessory comes with it attached to this dustbin, and you can use that brush to clean the filter or these rollers. Let us discuss what we like or doesn't like about this vacuum cleaner. First of all, I'm very impressed with its voice feedback, and for this vacuum cleaner, it gives the voice feedback for most of the conditions. And the vacuum cleaner is almost compact in diameter, so it can reach and efficiently clean in between your furniture. While we are talking about the app is so much powerful with this RoboVac, and you can do a lot of things with this app. You can select a particular zone or a room, or you can select a different floor map to clean while using this app. And the real-time mapping is pretty nice feature. So when you start it, it's creating a virtual map of the floor, and it can find out the obstacles ahead and avoid them. In addition to that, it supports Amazon Alexa and Google Home. What we doesn't like here, for the base, it need a good clearance to detect by the RoboVac, and there is no dust collection and the charging base like the new vacuum cleaners in the market, and it would be nice if they have that feature. So overall, it's a nice, powerful vacuum cleaner that you can get from eufy. Smartphone app is pretty smart, and they have a lot of features integrated with it, and it comes with the Google Home and Amazon Alexa support. Thank you for watching this video, and hope you like this video. And we have reviewed one of the Wi-Fi door lock from eufy, and if you want to see the review, you can check here. And meanwhile, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the button here, and we are going to come back with another video soon, and see you later.